Hi, I'm Gilad. I'm the CEO and founder of TRIOND Remodeling and Design, and we are very excited to show you today the project that we just completed at Coal Valley, San Francisco.
My name is Lynn, and I live in Coal Valley. I hired TRIOND Remodeling to remodel 2 bathrooms and a bedroom. At TRIOND, one of the things that attracted me is they had a design process. And the design process in this case was essential because I had a design in mind, and I worked with their designer, Lottie, and she told me that she thought I was making a mistake with the design, which I really appreciated because it changed what we did. I was going to put a closet into a bedroom, and she said, no, that would be a mistake, and we can do it all out of the one bathroom, and she thought we could make it look good. So I went with it, and I am so glad I did, because what I had wanted would have been a big mistake. So I was extremely nervous about doing the whole project. I was living out of state, and I'd actually had experience with some friends, and actually my mother too, who had had very bad experiences with contractors who hadn't communicated and hadn't followed through. My experience though with PJ is he was sending me videos weekly at least, or anytime I wanted, or whenever there was a big change. He was receiving packages and updating me on everything that was going on. And I'm kind of a hands-on person, so I really appreciated all that communication. I don't like to be left in the dark, and PJ did not leave me in the dark. So all the communication, I can't imagine how it could have been better. So that's one thing I really appreciated with my experience.
Hi, I'm PJ Kroll, Senior Project Manager with TRIOND Remodel and Design, and I'm really excited to show you around this home where we just finished our project. First, in the living room here, we have 4 recessed 6-inch lights that we put in, as well as this beautiful new light pendant, which matches the design style of the other one we put in here in the entryway. Really brightens up the space, and it looks great. We also redid the floors across the whole first floor, as well as the stairs with a whole new coat to have them shining and looking beautiful. Let's go up and see what we have upstairs. So upstairs here, first, we put in 5 of these beautiful new doors with gold hardware on the hinges and these really nice new doorknobs on 3 different bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms. Let's step into this bathroom and have a look at it here. Here's the beautiful doors that we put on with the matching gold hinges to tie in the aesthetic, all the rest of the hardware that we put in. Now over here, we used to have a light well, and the ceiling came down about this high. There was a small window, and the toilet was over here. We raised that light well up to give us all this elevation. We moved the toilet over to this side. The sink was where I'm standing now. We moved that over to here. So we have a much nicer layout, a lot more space. We put in this shower, which has gorgeous accent tiles in the niche, as well as on the floor. And we have this really nice lighting setup up here with our pendants, as well as we have all of the new recessed cans. There used to be a closet right here, so we had to demo out this whole closet and create more space. And we also put in soundproofing insulation on the other side, so that there's even more privacy when you're in the bathroom or in the bedroom on the other side. Let's go take a look at what we did in the bedroom on the other side. So there used to be a door here to a closet on the other side. We closed this wall in order to get that space for the bathroom to be expanded. We also put soundproofing rock wool in this whole wall on the other side to have more privacy. There didn't used to be a picture rail in this room, but there is one in every other room. So we found an exact match and we put it in. Same thing with the baseboards here. We were able to get an exact match of the old style baseboards and put them all in. They look beautiful, sitting right on top of these entire new floors that we installed. There was an old parquet floor which was really beat up and damaged. We couldn't bring it to a full refinish that was going to be up to our standards. So we just went ahead and put in all new flooring with this beautiful border. Same exact look that ties it into the rest of the house. So here in the master bathroom, we made a couple of changes that make the aesthetic much nicer, but also make it more functional for our clients' needs. So this is where we had the sink before, but it was not really what we wanted for the right look. So our design team helped us to work with the client and select these beautiful new finishes, this gorgeous mirror, and these really nice pendants that help light the room up at a separate lighting level from the new can lights we put up in the top. Over here, we used to have, in this space, a linen closet that came out about this far and a much smaller tub. Well, our client's really tall and wanted a larger tub. So we blew that wall out, removed that linen closet, and we installed this beautiful new tile work and this much larger tub, including little things like this really sturdy handlebar for getting in and out. I'm really proud of the work we did in the niche and the shelving. This tile work it's phenomenal. Our client's super happy with it. And I think it really helps make the whole bathroom pop.
I would definitely recommend TRIOND. And I would recommend it, well, even more importantly than I'd recommend it to my friends is if I had another project, I would definitely call PJ first. So that's about as good of recommendation as I can give.